Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels skyrocket to success, while others seem to be stuck in a perpetual growth limbo? What's the secret recipe for YouTube growth in 2024? Understanding the dynamics of YouTube growth requires a deep dive into the platform's algorithms, audience behavior, and content creation strategies. Today, we'll unravel these layers and decode the process of YouTube growth into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1 is all about understanding the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm is YouTube's way of deciding which videos to display and in what order to different viewers. It's an intricate system that factors in elements like watch time, audience engagement, and video freshness. The key here is to create content that keeps viewers watching and interacting, increasing the chances of your video being recommended to new audiences. Step 2 is defining your target audience. Knowing who you're creating content for can streamline your video production process and make your content more appealing. It's important to research what your target audience is interested in and how they consume content. This knowledge can guide you in creating videos that resonate with them and keep them coming back for more. Step 3 is mastering SEO, or search engine optimization. Keywords are the key to being discovered on YouTube. From your video title and description to your tags and even your closed captions, every word counts. Use relevant keywords that align with your content and what your audience is searching for. Step 4 is nurturing your community. Your subscribers aren't just numbers, they're your community, your tribe. Engaging with them through comments, likes, and shares can foster a sense of belonging. Regularly interacting with your audience can make them feel valued and encourage them to engage more with your content. The final step, step 5, is consistency. Consistency in posting not only helps maintain your audience's interest, but also signals the YouTube algorithm that your channel is active. However, it's not just about quantity. Quality should never be compromised. Strive for a balance that delivers valuable content at a consistent pace. To summarize, mastering YouTube growth in 2024 involves understanding the YouTube algorithm, defining your target audience, leveraging SEO, nurturing your community, and maintaining consistency in your content. It's a journey that demands time, patience, and creativity. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. They made their way up by understanding their platform, knowing their audience, optimizing their content, fostering a sense of community, and consistently delivering valuable content. And now, it's your turn to take these steps and achieve YouTube growth. So ready to take the plunge? The world of YouTube awaits. Let the growth begin.